Hello friends, in this video we will solve 30 questions with official answer key. These 30 questions are related to REET 2017, Paper Level 2nd, English Second Language. First question, identify the word in which the end sound is different from the other words. Concept, percept, sect, conceit. Option D. Next question is a bonus question. Next question, taking into account the principles of language teaching, teaching can be difficult. Desired goal of teaching English language can be achieved. Only linguistic habits can be developed. Only learning of English as a second language will be enhanced. Option B. Next question. Communicative approach to English language enables the teacher to exploit sound psycholinguistic principles, exploit sound educational principles, exploit sound psycholinguistic and educational principles, none of the above. Option C. Next question. In communicative approach to teaching, the teacher must know why it is better to tolerate errors in students' attempt to express themselves, not to allow students to express themselves, not to tolerate errors in students' attempt to express themselves, better to note down the errors. Option A. Next question. One of the language disorders is found when learner is missing the class, learner is speaking in class, learner speaks in short and fragmented phrases, learner speaks the full sentences. Option C. Next question. Language disorder means when a child has difficulty in understanding the meaning, difficulty in expressing his or her thought, trouble producing some sounds accurately, either or both. Option A and B. For this question, option A and B both are correct. Next question. Articulation error occurs due to formed speech habit, slurring over and clipping sounds, learner's intelligence, learner give importance to stress and intonation. Option B. Next question. Remedial teaching involves improvement of learning skill, rectifying a particular problem area, either A and or B, neither A nor B. Option C. Next question. Communicative approach to evaluation stresses on content relevancy and vocabulary, fluency and flexibility, both A and B, neither A nor B. Option C. Next question. Recent scheme of evaluation outlined by CBS says it is continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Option B. Next question. Remedial teaching should be carried out after identification of text and test, text and learning, melody on language test and its causes, merits of teacher. Option C. Next question. Remedial program is designed keeping in mind each student's strength, each student's weakness, each student's strength and weakness, none of the above. Option C. Next question. Remedial teaching is a preparation of teaching, pre-teaching program, systematic process, random process. Remedial teaching is a systematic process. Next question. The basic requirement of a language proficiency test is that it must be reliable, complex, ambiguous, simple. It must be reliable. Next we have a passage, and after read this passage we have to answer some questions on the basis of this passage. Passage. In spite of rigorous precautions against accidents, many people are injured every year in factories and elsewhere. In addition, some people are born with physical disabilities. They are either blind or deaf or in some way deformed from birth. Up to quite recent times, little planned action was taken to fit handicapped people for employment. A number of charitable organizations tried to help them in cases of hardship, but few seriously held the idea that these people might still have abilities in other directions. Question. Which one of the following is the most appropriate title for the passage? Rehabilitation of the physically challenged, physical disabilities, accidents, planned action. Option A. Next question. In the above paragraph, in addition indicates emphasis, addition, sequence, alternative. Option B. Next question. Either those children or my own son has picked all the flowers. Option B. Next question. In the above passage, the author wants to convey many people in the world suffer from physical disabilities. Precautions are not taken against accidents. People who are physically challenged are fit for employment. Physically challenged people have no scope. Option A. Next question. Noisy children are a real headache. 2 aspirins will make a headache go away. Therefore, 2 aspirins will make noisy children go away. Above lines contain the fallacy of equivocation, the fallacy of false analogy, the fallacy of hasty generalization, the fallacy of composition. Option A. Next we have an extract and we have to find out the rhyme scheme of the extract. The rhyme scheme of this extract is AB AB. Option A. Next question. One proven way to beat an enemy is find his Achilles heel. What does finding Achilles heel mean? Emulate, weak spot, strong point, secret strategy. Achilles heel means weak spot. Next question. Next we have one more extract and after read this extract we have to find out figure of speech is used in the above extract. Metaphor, smiley, alliteration, assonance. For this question option B and option C. Both options are correct. Next question. Which one of the following is sometimes called vocalic rhyme? Assonance. Assonance is sometimes called vocalic rhyme. Next question. Which figure of speech is common in tongue twisters, jingles and nonsense words? It is alliteration. Next question. It's a beautiful day. I needn't have brought this umbrella. Option B. Next question. You should follow up your phone call with an email or a letter. Option B. Next question. What time shall we go shopping? Let's see how the weather looks and insert the correct idiom. For this question, option B is the correct answer. Play it by ear. Next question. Sonnets usually are in iambic pentameters. Next question. Last question. A person who writes a play is playwright. Option A. So friends, we solved these 30 questions with the official answer key. I hope this effort will be helpful for you. Please like my video, share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, thank you so much and all the best.